Hello viewers, in this tutorial I will show you how to upload a file under the classwork tab in Google Classroom. Okay, let's start. For uploading a file in the Google Classroom, at first I will have to open my browser. Okay, I am clicking my browser Google Chrome. In the address bar, you can write classroom.google.com, then press enter, or you can do the same job clicking here. See, then scroll down please. Here you will get Classroom. I am clicking Classroom here for going to Classroom, but it is showing no files here because I have another ID in which there is no file. So I am changing my ID. See here. Then I am using this ID. Under that ID, I have many classes. Okay, it is showing different classes. I am going to my particular class. Yes, this is my particular class. I am clicking here. There are four options you have seen: Stream tab, Class tab, People tab, Grade tab. But under Stream options, you will see different types of notice, uploaded video information, assignment information, and everything. But I like to upload my class videos for my students under the classwork tab. Yes, I am clicking classwork tab. See, there are different videos that I have already uploaded for my students. See one or two, click here. There is a video uploaded on that particular date. See this one, there is a video. See this one, there is a video uploaded for the students. Here, students will get different types of videos sequentially according to the class that I have taken with them. Okay, but now I like to add a new class. Okay, for that what I have to do, at first I will click create button, then you will get this type of options. I am clicking on this material option to upload a new video. Okay, click material. Yes, now you will give the title here. I am writing the title, completing sentences hyphen 4. Okay, this is my title. Then I will add a video for this class. For adding or connecting a video with this, I should click add button. I am clicking add. Then I can add a video going to Google Drive or going to link or going to file option, or from YouTube I can also add a file. But now I like to add a video or connect a video from my Google Drive because I have already recorded the class and it has already been stored in the Google Drive. So I will connect a file from my Google Drive. Okay. For that, you can go to Google Drive or you can click here file. I am clicking file option. See here, uploaded my drive, or you can also browse, no problem. Okay, I am clicking my drive because I like to add a file from my Google Drive. I know that all my recorded files are stored against this folder, so I am double clicking on this folder. If I cannot find my particular file on the particular date, then I can sense the display system. How can I do it? See here, list. That means you can sense the display in the list option. I am doing this. It is showing everything and in the list form. I am finding my particular file. I am not getting my particular file, so I am changing the ascending and descending order. Here I am clicking. See, I have got my file at the beginning. See this one. This is my file. I am selecting this, clicking on it. Then after selecting, you will get this option. See here, one selected. That means one file has been selected. Then you will have to click insert button. See here, insert. Okay, the particular file has been connected or attached. Now my last job is to post the file. Okay, I will click the post button here. But one thing is very important. If you don't like to post here now, just you can click the drop down button here. Then you will get different types of options. You can instantly post this file. You can schedule this file. You can save as draft, or you can discard the draft. Anyone. But I like to post the file just now. So I am clicking post. Yes, materials created. That means my completing sentences class number 4. Yes, it has been posted. I am clicking on it to see the file. Yes, this is my file. It has been posted. See here, completing sentence class 1, completing sentence class 2, completing sentence class 3, completing sentence class 4. In this way, sequentially, all the classwork videos, audios, or other types of files can be uploaded sequentially so that the students can sequentially get the particular videos or particular files on a particular topic. And one thing is very important: when you will post a file under the classwork tab, at the same time it will be displayed under the stream tab. I am clicking stream tab to see it. Yes, completing sentence class number 3, completing sentence class number 4. This file just I have uploaded. Okay, I am going back to this tab. In this way, you can upload any new file for your student. Thank you very much. Thank you everybody. If the video is helpful, please share it with your friends, subscribe my channel, and never forget to click the bell icon so that you can get the uploaded video very quickly.